What's good, YouTube? We're back with another video on the channel. As you can see, we have smoke right here. And as you guys know, we've been doing stuff with building the motor and the transmission. We haven't dropped that video yet, but stay tuned, we will drop that video. Today's been the first time I'm gonna take out this car again in like, I don't know, probably like what?
This thing been sitting for like a year.
It's been a good minute. The real reason why I'm really taking it out today is because we're about to start a very exciting project that you guys don't want to miss. I'm telling you, this is gonna be crazy. As you know, man, we plan on going some big power, so you just gotta stay tuned for that. You just gotta stay tuned. I gotta take this car out, drive it around a little bit because it's been sitting for a while. And I got to do the emissions on there. We couldn't even start the project. We wanted to start it at what? Yesterday or last week or whatever, but we couldn't start it because I have to do the emissions on this car. That's the one thing that sucks, man, but we'll figure that out. So today we're gonna take it out, and if you look to my right, you'll notice Ghost is also going out today too, and I think this is the first time these two cars are gonna be in one video.
Yeah, that's true. That's honestly true.
I think so, yeah.
These cars, well, no, I think the last
Fury been in a video.
Yeah, Fury and Smoke. It was always Fury and Smoke. It was never Fury. It was never Ghost and Smoke. So
yeah, so today is a good day too to actually drive the cars out, and it's like 60 out, so it's real nice out.
you can see tops off that shit.
Mm-hmm.
Summer vibes.
It's getting there.
This car has not been started in fucking months. Yeah, that's crazy.
I'll say I'm surprised. One kick. I'm surprised.
One kick.
One kick.
Man, it's been so long, man.
Bit, and I'm gonna give it a little rev, and then we're gonna head out.
We see how I burn it. Big ass fucking turbo, man. It's been a while.
Yep. So as we said, this motor is gonna come out, the transmission, all that. It's gonna get a whole new look, a whole new build. This is probably one of the last times it's gonna be driven with a stock motor.
Car's getting fully built, bro. It's crazy. Shit came a long way. Long way.
I just hope we could get both cars or all the cars up by like some car show time.
Yeah.
Because we plan on hitting some of those shows this year for sure.
We forgot when Car Island is, so anybody want to drop that shit in the comments, go ahead, because we're definitely trying to make that event. So
try to get projects out because we still got to do Fury too, so
yeah,
if anyone know when that is, drop it in the comment below and let us know.
Yeah, that way we could prepare. We could try to get the cars done before that, so we could at least take them to car house.
Yep.
You know? This car been sitting so long. There's so much rust on the fucking rotors. We here, we're waiting half there. car got a bad clutch, man. It's not grabbing, it's spinning.
Drive's been pretty good so far. Right now we at the pump getting some gas, you know, but we just got to keep driving the shit around so we could get the monitors ready and all that stuff. So when we go and do the emissions, we don't have to be second guessing ourselves or anything like that. We know the car is gonna be ready. So drive's been good so far, man. We at the pump, smoke here, close on the next side. You know how
Getting that corn.
we do it, man. It's a nice day too. Real good day. Bring the beaks out, the beaks. You can tell it's nice. The top's down.
You see the top down, man, you know it's a nice day. Right now we're just getting some gas. We're gonna drive over to our pop's house. Hopefully we just keep driving the cars around, man, to get this thing so we could pass emissions.
Alright fellas, you can see we at the pop's house. We've been driving this thing all day just to get it ready, but probably gotta drive it a little bit more. I don't know if the system's ready yet, but we'll definitely drive it some more to make sure the system's ready. Get this shit past emissions, and then the next video, it's gonna be working time. It's gonna be under the surgery, like literally. We gonna become some surgeons on this shit. It's gonna be the last time y'all seeing this like this, man. Well, not exactly like this, but with this stock motor in there. So I'm pretty damn excited. And what we have, whew, it's gonna be crazy, but y'all just gotta wait for it. Y'all gotta wait for it. This is gonna be good. And also, I want to touch a little bit on Fury. I know you guys haven't seen that shit in a minute. How long this shit been sitting?
Probably like damn.
Yeah, kids, I haven't drive this shit in like months, bro. This is like literally the first time in probably like 6-7 months since I even touched this car. Cause I was like, yo, I don't want to keep driving this shit stock, so I didn't even want to touch it. But since we're gonna start, here it is. And then, don't worry, man. Fury is nowhere. It's right here. It's right there. So once we're planning to like, that's why we said earlier in the video we want to know when Carsile is, because we actually want to get both cars going to like Carsile or whatever. We want to get both of them up and running. So we're gonna try and work on Smoke and Fury at the same time, you know what I mean? Because we still gotta do a motor for this, the transmission. It's gonna take some time, but we at least want to try and get 90 to 95% of the shit done, if not 100%, you know what I mean? So for the next couple of weekends or whatever, we just gonna start cranking shit out, man. Cranking shit out big time. But Fury is here, bro. It ain't going nowhere. It's not going nowhere, you see? It's still there. It's still there. It's apart right now, but soon this thing gonna be up and running. And then you guys are gonna see a lot more video on all three of the cars, hopefully. But it's getting there. It's getting there. Just bear with us, man. Keep subscribing, sharing the channel, you know, so we can get up there. We what? Almost at 5K now. So just keep sharing, man, and subscribe to it. But as usual, man, we're gonna close it out because it's getting dark. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and keep watching the channel. Keep watching, because you guys are gonna be like, these prolific guys are crazy. But just keep watching, man. That's all I gotta say. Peace.
We have to make it total when life get rough like drought. My money have to big and stout. Do it for the money and do it for the clout. Yeah, I'm on a roll. One buy a yacht, me no one buy a boat. Oh no, please don't call me no goat. Born in a mess, so I'm a Taurus. Yeah, it's a must dog. You nanko, listen to the first band, J and J.